I'm Mike DeJoseph from Bloomfield Cooling, Heating and Electric. Power outages are unpredictable. Performing regular maintenance on your home standby generator will keep it at peak performance. Here's some advice. Listen for your generator to perform its weekly scheduled test. Make sure the indicator light remains green. If not, it's a warning that you need service. Maintain proper oil levels and keep the unit free from debris. Proper maintenance will help your unit last longer and work more efficiently. These tips are from your friends at Bloomfield Cooling, Heating and Electric.